here's Autopilot Investment app. It's quite interesting idea. It's slowly going in the top charts. In the beginning, it was when it was just released, it was already among top 5 apps in the US App Store for like few days. Then it's fell down, but now it's going back. So the idea is that you can copy trade top investors, but not only like top investors, also politicians, influencers, some hedge fund managers, whatever. So if these people have their portfolio or part of their portfolio disclosed, developers of this app will just basically try to get it from like open sources, from Twitter, from some, if it's a public figure, just they are required to disclose some of their stock and all of that. So then, then you can just try to get that. And then you can connect your broker, you can connect Robinhood, Webull, Ameritrade, and then you can just pick your pilot, like the account you want to follow, and then amount to invest, and then you just invest. So for example, this is what you have here, a popular inverse Cramer. So just basically inverse everything what Jim Cramer does. We do the opposite. And then in the top right, you see the information icon. And then where do they get all these sources? And then they just for this, they say we get these trades by monitoring his show, his Twitter, and then do the opposite. For example, like Pelosi tracker, you can see all the stocks by Nancy Pelosi. And then here you can see that there is some information from Stock Act. Then there is 15% from certain public companies. Then there is Buffett tracker. Where do they get that? Hedge funds are required to file Form 13F within 45 days after the last day of the calendar quarter. So you can get that as well. Body tracker, Citadel tracker. So yeah, there you have. Now they also introduced a ChatGPT trader, which I think is not yet available, but you can also join this challenge. It's pretty cool. And then you just followed by different categories. Here, it's quite interesting. That's the idea. Then you can just see top political ETF, an ETF of the top 10 politician traders based on their 22 performance. Again, you can see where they taken the source. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. So that's the app. And then when you select some account, you can just select it. And then you can just connect with your broker like Robinhood, Webull, Ameritrade, something like that. If you don't see your brokerage, you can just search through the list here, what is available. And then if you don't have a brokerage, you can just create Robinhood account. Maybe this company is affiliated with Robinhood somehow. But yeah, there you have it. You can reach out to their support if you try to create some account. There is some number in the bottom to call or text them with any questions or concerns. So there's that. I think this app is also available on Android, so you can join that on Android. But there you have it. I'm not sure how to delete your account or how to proceed with deleting your account because I just created it. I have no idea where to delete it or anything like that. But you can reach out to their support. I think you can also email them support@joinautopilot.com or something like that. So yeah, pretty cool app. I don't know how legit is this app. Obviously, they're getting some info from open sources, so that's really depends on the quality of the data they're getting from either it's Twitter, some public disclosure, some forms, and all of that. If it's only Twitter, then I wouldn't trust a lot this app. But of course, if this is some public forms, it's interesting idea. And definitely you can, if you're used to investing, I'm not yet, but if you're used to, and then you don't know where to start, you just have like a lot of actually investing experience, but you just want to have fun, and then you just can put here like 5-10K That can be cool. I wouldn't put like all of the investment amount here because still this app at the point of like, just exploring, but maybe in future it can become pretty big. So there you have it.